Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best electronic smokers that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a barbecue enthusiast or just starting out with smoking your favorite foods, we've got something for everyone. You can find the product links in the description below. So let's dive right in and get started with the countdown. At number 5, we have the Char-Broil analog electric smoker, the budget-friendly option in our lineup. With 544 square inches of cooking space and a powerful 1200-watt heating element, this smoker is perfect for beginners stepping into the world of smoked meats. Its insulated cooking chamber ensures consistent heat, while the door-mounted temperature gauge allows you to monitor the cooking process easily. The 3 chrome-plated grates provide ample room for ribs, chickens, or even pork butts, making it versatile for small to medium gatherings. Design-wise, the Char-Broil analog electric smoker is simple yet functional. The aluminized steel water pan, wood chip tray, and grease tray make cleanup straightforward, and the dual door latches keep smoke and flavor locked in. Additionally, the built-in carrying handles make it easy to move around, despite its 56.4-pound weight. However, the analog temperature controls lack the precision of digital smokers, and there's no side chip loader for uninterrupted smoking. This smoker is ideal for those on a budget or casual users looking for a reliable entry-level smoker. While it doesn't have advanced features like digital controls or meat probes, it delivers consistent results for its price. Pros include affordability, solid build quality, and easy maintenance. Cons are the lack of advanced controls and limited cooking space compared to higher-tier models. Coming in at number 4, we have the Masterbuilt analog electric smoker, a step up in both price and performance. This smoker boasts 535 square inches of cooking space spread across 3 chrome-coated racks, giving you enough room to smoke multiple cuts of meat at once. The analog temperature controls allow you to set the smoking temperature up to 275 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for a range of recipes. A removable wood chip tray lets you experiment with different wood flavors, while the water bowl ensures your meats stay juicy and tender. The design is robust, featuring an insulated cooking chamber and a rear grease tray for easy cleanup. Weighing 49.9 pounds, it's lighter than some of its competitors, but the lack of digital controls might be a drawback for those seeking precision. While it doesn't have advanced features like a meat probe or side chip loader, it's straightforward to use and provides reliable performance. The stainless steel interior adds durability, but the absence of a viewing window means you'll have to open the door to check on your food. This smoker is perfect for intermediate users who want an affordable yet dependable option. Pros include solid build quality, consistent smoking results, and easy cleanup. Cons are the lack of digital controls and smaller cooking space compared to premium options. If you're looking for simplicity and reliability, this could be a great choice. At number 3, we have the Oak Ridgewood Pro electric smoker, a fantastic option for those seeking ergonomic design and premium features without overspending. With 725 square inches of cooking space, this smoker can handle larger batches, making it ideal for family gatherings or weekend prep. The elevated stand is a game changer, raising the smoker to a comfortable height for easy access to your food and controls. No more crouching or squatting. The built-in meat probe tracks internal temperatures in real time, while the smoker automatically switches to keep warm mode once your target temp is reached. The Ridgewood Pro is designed for convenience and performance. The adjustable side chip loader ensures uninterrupted smoking, locking in flavor without losing heat. Its powder-coated steel exterior provides durability, and the aluminized steel interior enhances heat retention for consistent cooking. However, at 59 pounds, it's slightly heavier than its competitors, and while the digital controls are user-friendly, they might feel limiting for advanced users seeking more customization. This smoker is perfect for users who value comfort and ease of use. Pros include the elevated stand, large cooking area, and built-in meat probe. Cons are the slightly bulkier design and higher price compared to other mid-range models. If you're looking for premium features with excellent usability, the Ridgewood Pro is a solid choice. At number 2, we have the East Oak 30-inch electric smoker, a slightly more compact yet equally impressive option from the East Oak lineup. This smoker offers the same 725 square inches of cooking area and innovative features, including a built-in meat probe for real-time temperature tracking and a side chip loader for uninterrupted smoking. With 6 times longer smokes per load, it's designed for extended sessions, locking in flavor and achieving that perfect bark on your meats. The digital controls make it easy to set and forget, switching automatically to keep warm mode when the cooking is complete. Design-wise, this smoker is sleek and functional, featuring a powder-coated steel exterior and aluminized steel interior for durability. It's slightly lighter than the Ridgewood Pro at 62 pounds, but still offers robust performance. While it doesn't have an elevated stand, the compact design makes it easier to store and move around. Like the Ridgewood Pro, it excels in usability, but might lack the advanced customization options that some experienced smokers desire. This smoker is ideal for those who want premium features at a slightly lower price point. Pros include extended smoking sessions, a large cooking area, and intuitive controls. Cons are the lack of an elevated stand and slightly heavier build. If you're looking for great value with high-end features, this is a top contender. Finally, at number 1, we have the Masterbuilt 30-inch digital electric vertical barbecue smoker, the premium choice in our lineup. With 710 square inches of cooking space and 4 chrome-coated racks, this smoker is ready to handle everything from 7 chickens to 4 racks of ribs. The patented side wood chip loader allows you to add smoky flavor without opening the door, locking in heat and smoke for enhanced low and slow cooking. The digital controls let you easily set the temperature and cooking time, while the adjustable air damper provides precise smoke control. The design of this smoker is top-notch. The fully insulated chamber and lockable door latch ensure consistent temperatures up to 275 degrees Fahrenheit, while the removable water bowl adds moisture for tender, juicy results. Cleanup is a breeze with the removable rear grease tray, and the convenient viewing window lets you monitor your food without disrupting the cooking process. At 50.3 pounds, it's surprisingly lightweight for its size, but the higher price point might be a consideration for budget-conscious buyers. This smoker is perfect for serious barbecue enthusiasts who want the best performance and features. Pros include advanced digital controls, a spacious cooking area, and the innovative side chip loader. Cons are the higher price and slightly smaller cooking space compared to the East Oak models. If you're looking for premium quality and unmatched ease of use, this is the smoker for you. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Happy smoking.